Now let's dive into Stump Boss' approach to stump grinding, a critical step in land clearing and maintenance. Stump grinding is the process of removing tree stumps by using a rotating cutting disc that chips away the wood. Stump Boss utilizes advanced grinding machinery that can reach depths of up to 12 inches below ground, effectively eliminating stumps and roots. This method is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly, as it leaves the surrounding area less disturbed compared to traditional stump removal techniques. Interesting to note, the ground-up stump material can be repurposed as mulch, providing a sustainable solution for garden and landscape enhancement. Stump Boss expertise and state-of-the-art equipment ensure that stump grinding is done swiftly, safely, and with minimal environmental impact, making it a preferred choice for both residential and commercial projects. Turning our attention to the milling sector, Clearman Industries presents the Lumber Pro, a sawmill that combines high performance with precision. The Lumber Pro is designed to meet the needs of modern sawmills, offering versatility in processing logs into lumber. It features state-of-the-art controls for accurate cuts, ensuring maximum yield from each log. What sets the Lumber Pro apart is its robust construction and the ability to handle logs of various sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of sawmilling operations. Efficiency is at the heart of its design, with features aimed at reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Let's meet the Terex CBI 6800 horizontal grinder, a beast of a machine designed for large-scale wood processing. Imagine a massive shredder on wheels. Logs, stumps, and even whole trees are fed into the grinder using a conveyor belt. Razor-sharp hammers tear through the wood, reducing it into uniform chips or mulch. The 6800 boasts an optional 1125 horsepower engine, allowing it to grind up to 200 tons of material per hour. This powerhouse is ideal for land clearing projects, recycling wood waste, or creating biomass fuel. Now we come to the Kesla C1060 and C645 chipper truck, a 2-in-1 machine that streamlines the chipping process. The C645 chipper itself is a powerful unit mounted directly onto a sturdy truck chassis like the C1060. This eliminates the need for a separate trailer, making transportation and setup more efficient. Branches, logs, and other wood waste are fed into the chipper using a hydraulic grapple. Sharp blades then reduce the material into uniform wood chips, perfect for landscaping, biomass production, or animal bedding. The Kesla C1060 and C645 chipper truck is a versatile option for professional chippers who need a powerful and mobile machine. The Gallotrax GX800 is a real muscle machine built for tough forestry tasks. Imagine a tank with a high-powered chomper attachment. This 765 horsepower beast rides on tracks, allowing it to navigate uneven terrain with ease. The GX800's secret weapon is a rotating head equipped with razor-sharp teeth. This shredder can tackle trees up to 24 inches thick, grinding them into manageable chips or clearing brush for construction projects. Up next in the veneer production line is the Feezer 7RT14 peeling line. This industrial machine tackles large logs and transforms them into thin sheets of wood called veneer. Imagine a giant lathe with a special peeling knife. The machine skillfully spins the log while the knife precisely shaves off a thin layer of wood. The 7RT14 can handle logs up to 14 feet long and 26 inches in diameter, making it suitable for processing a variety of wood types. This Feezer machine is known for its efficient peeling process, which minimizes wood waste and produces high-quality veneer for furniture, plywood, and other applications. The Trom 20 UES mulcher is a beast on bog tracks, specifically designed to tackle tough forestry and land clearing jobs. This machine looks like a heavy-duty tractor with a brutal attachment on the front. The mulcher itself is a giant horizontal grinder with rows of powerful hammers. As the Trom 20 UES drives forward, the mulcher chews through trees, stumps, brush, and even small rocks, turning them into a fine mulch. This process helps clear land for construction, create fire breaks, or prepare areas for planting. Known for its ability to handle difficult terrain, the Trom 20 UES mulcher is a one-stop shop for tough forestry mulching jobs. Now, for the hobbyist or small landowner, the Frontier OS 23 portable personal compact sawmill brings lumber production to your backyard. This sawmill isn't as heavy-duty as the industrial models, but it's perfect for converting fallen trees or logs into usable lumber. Think of a lightweight metal frame with a chainsaw mounted on a sliding carriage. Logs up to 23 inches in diameter are secured onto the frame. The operator then uses a crank system to control the carriage, feeding the logs steadily into the spinning chainsaw. The Frontier OS 23 is a portable and affordable option for those who want to produce their own lumber for woodworking projects or repairs around the property. In the world of heavy logging equipment, the Wagner L490 log stacker stands tall. This behemoth is engineered to move and stack large volumes of logs with incredible efficiency. Its robust design allows it to handle thousands of pounds of logs in a single lift, streamlining the loading and unloading process in logging operations. Equipped with a powerful engine and a spacious operator's cab offering excellent visibility, the L490 combines performance with operator comfort. The log stacker's maneuverability and speed significantly reduce the time needed to manage log inventories, making it an invaluable asset in mills and log handling facilities. The Plantma X is a mechanized planting machine designed to efficiently reforest large areas. Imagine a rugged vehicle with a robotic arm on the front. This high-tech machine can cultivate the soil, compact it, and plant a seedling all in one pass. The Plantma X carries up to 20,000 seedlings on board, depending on their size and packing. Its robotic arm precisely positions each seedling and ensures proper planting depth. Under ideal conditions, this machine can plant over 40 seedlings per minute, making it a game changer for reforestation efforts. Known for its efficiency and durability, the Plantma X helps forestry companies and conservation organizations plant trees faster and more effectively. Continuing our exploration of forestry innovation, let's delve into the Karpan Kepelnik CV26, a robust log splitter designed for both professional and personal use. This machine simplifies the task of preparing firewood with its powerful splitting force of 26 tons, making it capable of handling even the most challenging logs with ease. Its efficient hydraulic system ensures that wood is split quickly and effortlessly, saving time and energy. The CV26 boasts a durable construction, ensuring longevity and reliability. With safety features that prioritize the operator's well-being, this log splitter combines performance with protection. As we continue our journey through the world of cutting-edge forestry equipment, let's turn our attention to the DipperFox SC850 Pro, a stump crusher that redefines the process of stump removal. This powerhouse attachment is designed for excavators, turning the tedious task of stump removal into a quick and efficient operation. The SC850 Pro uses a unique drilling and crushing mechanism to pulverize stumps into chips, allowing for easy removal and minimal ground disturbance. Capable of tackling stumps of any size, its high efficiency and speed significantly reduce the time and effort needed compared to traditional methods. In our exploration of forestry marvels, the Rotten H8D takes a proud spot. This compact and agile harvester is engineered for thinning operations, offering exceptional maneuverability in dense forests. The H8D features a powerful crane and an advanced harvester head, which allows for precise cutting, delimbing, and measuring in one seamless operation. Its low ground pressure design minimizes environmental impact, preserving the forest floor. As we continue our journey through the world of forestry machinery, the John Deere 859M leveling track feller buncher stands out for its robust performance on steep slopes. This machine is designed with a leveling system that keeps the operator upright, enhancing safety and efficiency on challenging terrain. Its powerful felling head can cut through large trees with precision, thanks to its advanced hydraulic system. The 859 durable undercarriage and tracks provide exceptional stability and traction, allowing it to navigate through rough, uneven ground with ease. The Ponce Scorpion is a harvester built for efficiency and power in large-scale forestry operations. Imagine a giant spider on wheels with a high-reach arm and a felling head attachment. The operator, positioned in a spacious cab with excellent visibility, maneuvers the Scorpion through the forest. The felling head, equipped with saws or shears, precisely cuts down trees up to 24 inches in diameter. An impressive feature is the harvester's ability to reach and cut trees at a significant distance thanks to its long reach. The Ponce Scorpion can also select, bunch, and even delimb trees, making it a one-stop shop for mechanized tree felling. Known for its speed, versatility, and cutting-edge technology, the Ponce Scorpion is a harvester of choice for high-production forestry work. That concludes our exploration of the incredible world of forestry equipment. We've seen machines that fell trees, process logs, clear land, and even plant new trees. These marvels of engineering are a testament to human ingenuity and play a vital role in sustainable forestry practices. For more awesome content about construction, machinery, and engineering, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification